Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate why multiple inheritance is not supported by Java classes. So, let's get started. Java classes doesn't support multiple inheritance. The reason behind that is there is a problem that is called as diamond problem. Okay, because of this diamond problem, multiple inheritance is not supported by the classes in Java. What is that exact problem? Okay, let me explain in detail, guys. For example, this is a class. There is a class. Okay, if multiple inheritance is supported by Java classes, what will happen generally? There is a class and that class can have multiple parents. Okay, if multiple inheritance is really supported by the classes in Java, then that particular class in Java can have multiple parents. That means this particular class can inherit the properties not only from a single class, but the same class can inherit the properties from different classes, multiple classes, that is more than one classes. But what if when inheriting the properties from these multiple classes by a single class, if there is a method having the same name here and here, which method does this particular class has to inherit? This is a problem. Here also same method is there, same name and everything is there, and duplicate method is here. Now these two classes which are having the same method are the parent classes of this class, let's say. In that case, now tell me guys, how the Java will decide which method should be inherited, whether this method should be inherited into this child class or with this method should be inherited into the child class. So Java will get confused. Java will get confused. That's why guys, to solve this, okay, that's why this problem is called as diamond problem, guys. This problem is called as diamond problem, and that's why classes in Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. Okay, because of this diamond problem. You understood the diamond problem, right? Let me explain this practically, guys. For example, now here we have a class. I'll just otherwise I'll just create everything fresh. Okay, what is the problem? Okay, done. Save this and close. Okay, let me create a new class here. Let's say class 1, I'll say. Finish. And here I'll say class 2, class 2, another class. Now here we have class 3, class 3. Now, if the class 1 has a method, let's say public void sample method, and the exact same sample method is also there in the class 2. Now, if in case assume that Java will not support, okay, Java classes doesn't support multiple inheritance, but if in case assume that there is a possibility where Java classes can extend multiple parents, like this is not possible, you'll get an error. You see class 1 comma class 2, when I give, you see already I'm getting an error. Why I'm getting this error? Because Java doesn't want to, okay, create a problem. Okay, there is a lot of confusion here because you see there is the same method. Okay, because to avoid this, Java want to avoid this kind of diamond problem, guys. Java want to avoid this diamond problem, because of which Java is not supporting this multiple inheritance. Okay, if Java has supported this these two classes as a parent classes of the same class, then Java need to decide whether to inherit this method or this method, because both have the same name. So only one method will come, right? When in coming to one class, a class can only have one method having one name. But here two methods are there. One is coming from a different class, another is coming from a different class. Now both are the parents, assume. In that case, which one the Java need to inherit? Only one it has to inherit. That is a confusion for the Java. And because of this diamond problem, Java is not supporting, or Java classes in Java are not supporting multiple inheritance. But in the coming sessions, I'm going to cover about interfaces. Interfaces will cover this. Interfaces, no problem, guys. Interfaces support multiple inheritance. Classes only doesn't support multiple inheritance in Java. So hope guys you understood why the multiple inheritance is not supported by the classes in Java. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.